Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Thursday, February the 15th. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Steve and I had a nice and romantic candlelit dinner, made us lasagna, and then I picked up some donuts at a market. And dance is canceled tonight because of the snowstorm. Snowing so much. I still have to take the dog on a walk, so I'm going to do a ballet class beforehand so I get a little bit warm, move my body, and then I'm gonna take her on a short walk because guys, it's like a blizzard outside, but I want to go before it gets dark out, and I'm just gonna go like down to the water around the bend and back because I don't want to be out for too long. But like I said, dance is canceled. That being said, I still want to move my body and dance, so I'm going to do a bit of a ballet class. I've been in kind of like pajamas all day because I got in a leotard thinking I was going to do a ballet class at like 10 a.m. crocheting and having the time of my life all morning. I was editing a video that's going out next week, and yeah, now I'm here, so I'm gonna do a bit of a ballet class really quickly. I might even do a master class tonight. I have so much time, and that's just it. Whenever I find out I have a lot of time because like class gets canceled or I don't have to work that evening or whatever happens, I just kind of get in paralysis because I don't know what to do with my time. I just have too much of it. So I'm going to throw on my point shoes, do a ballet bar, and then I might do a dance masterclass after I take Elsa on a walk, and I also might clean up. I don't know, there's just so many things to do. The possibilities are endless. I'm just gonna put my hair up in a French twist with a claw clip. Guys, it's really coming down now. I just looked outside and it's basically white out, so I'm hoping it calms down a little bit for when I go on a walk because I don't want to be caught when it's gross out. I mean, it's not that bad walking through it, and we're gonna wear super bright colors so we're visible. Not that it's, you know, super difficult because she's a black dog and my outfit's black. It has reflective gear on it, but I still want to go before it's dark out. I'm gonna do my hair like that. I already have my Yumiko leotard on. I'm gonna throw on some tights, I guess, and yeah, put on my point shoes. Leotard on underneath. I just put on my Yumiko skirt. I did not feel like putting on tights. From my work, it was actually a gift. I think it was like a welcome gift or a Christmas gift. I can't remember. It's from Flex Space Studios, original Kaz designs. I did like a collaboration, but yeah, I'm going to throw on my point shoes, do a bit of a ballet class, and then guys, I need to show you what it looks like outside right now. Look at that. You can't even tell through the window. I feel like you can never tell through the window, but it's snowing so much. I love it. I love it mainly because I don't have to go out in it other than taking the dog for a walk, but that's still enjoyable because I can just bundle up and then come back home and have a nice hot cup of tea and relax. Speaking of tea, I got Steven the Valentine's Day gift box for teas from David's Tea, so I'm definitely gonna make one of those when I get back home. And yeah, that's pretty much it. First of all, can we appreciate how much progress I've made? Look at how I started, look at how it ended. Oh, we have a guest. Hello, what are you guys doing? Working hard? What are you working on? Now, like I mentioned in my last vlog, I've been using these Freed Studio Classic Pro, but they are getting very squishy and they're pretty new, which is a bit concerning, but you know what? We're gonna truck through it, make it work. It's all good in the hood. It's really fun to do a ballet class when it's like a blizzard outside and it's snowing. It just makes me feel really homey and really happy. Again, because I don't have to go out in it. And it's just such a crazy difference as to what the weather was last week, because like I mentioned in the last vlog, it was like 12 degrees and sunny. Now it's like -6 and blizzard. Anyways, that's February in Canada for you, I guess. That being said, February is gonna be a busy month. I'm going to have to start packing for my trip this weekend. Super excited. I'm going down to Toronto for City Shred. I've never been, but I've only heard good things from my work colleagues. And speaking of sweater I'm wearing earlier, this is who I'm traveling with. I'm going to be doing the City Shred with Flex Space Studios, and I'm really excited for it. I'm just excited to participate in whatever we participate in, and I'll try my best to document some of it for you guys so you can come along with me. But yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, got the point shoes on, definitely on the wrong feet, but that's okay. That's okay. You know when you don't want to take off your sweater? I should be wearing leg warmers too, but it's okay. I'm sure I'll get warm soon enough. One of my absolute favorite things is doing a ballet class inside when it's a blizzard out, because I feel all cozy, I feel all inspired by the snow and the scenery and the landscape outside, and I think that's one of the best things about dance. You can literally take it with you anywhere. I think of all the places that I've danced, not only in the bedroom near the closet, but I've also danced at home, at my parents' house, in a studio as well, but I've danced in a plethora of places. In fact, I actually danced like in the audience of a concert hall because the orchestra was using the stage and they were taking up the entirety of the stage, so I literally had to use an audience chair in the audience as my ballet bar, and the floor, of course, was carpet. That was probably the weirdest place, but like I said, I like that dance, and specifically ballet, is something you can really take anywhere. You really only need space for your leg to stretch out to 90 degrees because you're golden. If you've got a floor, if you've got space to reach your arm and your leg so you don't hit anything. I know I just hit the curtain, but yeah, you guys get the point. Okay, I am done with what I was doing. I put on my tutu because I was filming some TikToks and reels, so I'm going to take off my shoes and get ready to take Elsa on a walk before it gets dark out. It's already starting to get a little bit dark out, but it's about 4 o'clock, so I still have some daylight time. I'm gonna go do that now, but my phone's at 3%, so I gotta wait till it at least gets like 20%, just so it doesn't freeze and crash while I'm out, because that would not be good. But anyways, ooh, the lines that happen on your feet after you take off your shoes, so funny. Anyways, see you later. Got the snow pants on, got the fleece on, and now I just need 2 more things: my jacket and my hat and my gloves. So I guess that's 3 things, plus a 4th thing. Elsa, she's listening. Hang on, guys, she is tuning in. Elsa, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk with me? Does that sound fun? Do you want to go on a walk? I don't know. Do you want to go on a walk? Okay, we're going on a walk. What's all this stuff? I got the rest of the ribbons in the mail that look like this, and I didn't have enough originally, so somebody's zooming by. I'm going to open up these and do the rest of the ballet reports that I was doing a couple of vlogs ago. I didn't get to finish them because I wanted to make sure I had enough of these award ribbons before giving them out to people, so I wasn't missing anybody. So I'm gonna work on that for the next half hour or so. And yeah, we just got back from the walk and we basically just slushy and icy and slippery, but it was still good. We still got like an hour or so of a walk. So if you watched Sunday's vlog, you would have seen that I've been pairing this Magic Mind productivity shot with my morning coffee. And since incorporating these little shots into my daily routine, I have noticed how calm, energized, and focused I have been. Some of the ingredients include matcha, lion's mane mushroom, ashwagandha, just to name a couple. Now, I've been drinking these for a little over a week, and I've checked off so many to-dos on my checklist. Not to mention, I've completed 3 crochet projects in 1 week. This is also the busiest time of year for me, what with dance competitions around the corner and the need to spring clean, and I'm usually reaching for that 2nd or 3rd cup of coffee by the late afternoon to get me through the workday, and I haven't had to lately. In fact, I've been feeling way reduced stressed and sustained energy, and I managed to power clean the house this weekend and check off a lot of things on the list, which always makes me feel super accomplished and ready for spring. If you want to learn more about the benefits of the Magic Mind productivity shots, check out the link in my description, and I'm looking forward to continuing to let you guys know how I'm feeling as I continue to implement these into my daily routine. Okay guys, I'm feeling very productive. I just got 3 main tasks out of the way. I feel very unstoppable right now. That being said, since I'm going to Toronto tomorrow, I'm gonna make the bed and do a bunch of laundry because our closet is exploding with clothes and I need clothes for Toronto. So I'm going to make the bed and then do a load of laundry, and then we have lunch in about an hour or so. I'm still in my pajamas, but I'm feeling really good, feeling really energized. I had my Magic Mind shot this morning after my coffee, and I also made some breakfast, and it was really, really good. I love steel cutouts. But yeah, I'm gonna make this bed, gonna do some laundry, and then probably pack. I should probably get packing because I'm gonna leave right after work, so that means I'm going to have to pack my car before I leave to work. Currently 4:17 and I had a lot of plans to do things today, but as the day went on I realized how much time I lost because I got so carried away with my crochet project. My goal for this weekend is to get all of this yarn done, and I think I can get that done tonight, and I can start on the next color, which I haven't decided yet because I bought 3 colors. You'll remember in the last vlog if you watched it, I bought like a baby blue and a baby pink and a baby purple. Now I have a red, but I don't think the red will go as well, so I'm just gonna decide whether I want pink or purple or blue. Sorry, pink or blue. I think I might go for the pink. I feel like this purple and pink would go better, but I did tell Steve I'm making this for him. But then again, it's also my first project, and I have that red, and red's his favorite color, so I might just save that red to make a better scarf, a better version of this, and this will just be the very first one, just for practice. Well, I guess the first one technically was that little piece of whatever I was doing last time. I started a new one, and I'm making this into a scarf, and the last thing I just kind of closed off at the end and made it into a cape for Luna, which I'll have to show you guys. But like I said, it's almost 4:30, pretty much it's 4:19 as of right now, and I still have to pack my stuff for the weekend. So I'm gonna do that after I teach. I'm just waiting for my next client. My last client didn't end up showing up, so just waiting for the next person. They're at 4:45, so I have a little bit of time. I hope with that time I can kind of get this project done, at least this part of the project rather, not this whole project, but at least get this purple all crocheted. You know what I mean? I also have to finish some laundry tonight before bed because a couple of things in the laundry are probably things I'm gonna want to take to my work trip this weekend. And since I'm leaving the house tomorrow around 7, I'm not gonna be able to come back home because I have to catch the train at like 2 or 3 or whenever it is, so I can make it in on time because it is a long weekend, and I'm pretty sure they have holiday hours, meaning there's only one train I can catch. There's no other train after that, so I can't really afford to miss it. That being said, I'm gonna have to pack right after work tonight, or at least do the laundry and continue packing. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this weekend. It's gonna be really fun. I can't think of anything else I need to date with you guys other than I'm almost done this part of my scarf. Nice thing about crochet too, it's really calm. Whenever I like get in the zone, I just keep going. I don't really have thoughts in my head. Sometimes I'll put a show on. Most of the time I just kind of like get lost in the knots, you know what I mean? Or whatever these are called. I guess they're called knots. And if I mess up, it's not that big of a deal. It's not like knitting. I mean, I still can like undo it and redo it, but it's not tragic. You know what I mean? So I ended up totally getting snowed in. I wasn't able to go to Toronto, but don't worry, I did vlog on the weekend and I managed to do some fun things while we're home, but we're saving that for another vlog. Anyways, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing. Luna is trying to eat the microphone, by the way. Bye now. Oh, and also, don't forget to check out the link in my description if you want to purchase Magic Mind with my code JasmineMC20. You can get up to 56% off your first subscription for the next 10 days. And I'm really happy I can share this well-being and health journey with you guys. And I'm really looking forward to experiencing more benefits while I continue to implement these Magic Mind shots into my daily routine. Thanks again so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.